Long Beach 911, do you need police, fire, or
It's CC with the police transfer. Go ahead, ma'am.
What address are you?
Ciérrate, Orlando, ciérrate, no lo dejes entrar.
CHP, what's the address?
My address, it's 69 Way,
Okay.
Long Beach.
What's the problem?
My son has a knife. He's crazy. I don't know what's going on with him. He has a knife.
He has a
my
knife?
son. Okay.
Is he inside the house?
Yes, he's still inside the house.
Okay, what
He has a knife
happened?
and he started stabbing himself.
Okay, all right. Stay on the phone. I'm going to get the paramedics over there, okay? Is anybody else in the house with him?
No, it's me and my mom, and it's my older brother that's doing it today.
I got a locked door here. Eddie? Hey, Eddie! I see him inside with some blood on him.
Hey, open the door!
Eddie, open the door! Yeah, cover the front. Eddie! Hey, Long Beach Police Department, man, put your hands up.
They told me to do it, man.
All right, man, do me a favor.
They told me to do it.
I need you to drop what's on your hands right
I
now.
didn't do it.
Drop the knife.
I didn't want to do it.
I know, Eddie.
Please, I didn't want to do it.
Eddie, I need you to drop the knife now,
They
man.
told me to do it, man.
Eddie, I'm trying to help you out, man. Drop the knife, man.
Please.
Eddie,
They told me to
I
do
need
it.
you to drop the knife.
They told me to do it.
Knife, now. Put it on the ground, man. Eddie.
They told me to fucking
Hey!
do it.
Eddie, drop the knife, man. Drop the knife. Eddie, trying to help you out, man. Drop the knife. I see a knife down, man. Glove up, glove up.
I got gloves.
Hey, Eddie, stay on the ground, man. Eddie. Eddie. He's still holding the knife. Eddie, drop the knife, man. We're trying to help you out. Eddie, I need you to drop the knife, man. I cannot help you out if you're holding that knife. You guys gloved up?
Yeah, I'm gloved up.
Okay, Eddie, please, man. Just drop the knife. We're trying to help you and your family out.
Right now.
Eddie, drop the knife. No, he's holding the knife and he's still moving. Eddie, I need you to please drop the knife, man. I'm trying to help you out. And I'm trying to help out your mother.